Hello, learners. I'm Grandpa, here to make English easy and fun. Today, I'm here with a story, The Mysterious Echo in the Forest, a tale of mystery and discovery. Stay for the moral lesson and vocabulary till the end. Let's begin. Jake, Mia, and Sam decided to go camping deep in the forest. Excited for their adventure, they packed their bags with food, tents, and flashlights. The sun was shining as they hiked, sharing jokes and laughing. This is going to be an easy trip, Jake said confidently. But little did they know, the forest had a surprise waiting for them. As they set up camp, Sam suddenly heard a strange whisper. "Did you hear that?" he asked, looking around. Mia laughed and waved it off. "Relax, it's just the wind." But then the same voice repeated, "Go back." Her laughter stopped, and they exchanged nervous glances. The air felt heavier, and the trees swayed as if they were listening. To lighten the mood, Jake jokingly shouted, "Who's there?" To their shock, the forest echoed back in the same voice, "Who's there?" Mia's eyes widened. "That's not normal," she muttered. Sam tried to laugh it off. "Maybe it's a parrot?" But the eerie voice repeated, "Maybe it's a parrot?" The three friends stood frozen, their curiosity now mixed with fear. Determined to find out the truth, they decided to follow the voice deeper into the forest. As they walked, a shadow moved behind the trees. "Run!" Mia screamed, pulling Sam along. They sprinted as fast as they could, their hearts pounding. The mysterious voice kept copying their every word. Finally, out of breath, they stopped near a huge tree, unsure if they were safe. Behind the tree, they discovered a hidden speaker with a small note attached. "Welcome to Echo Valley." Jake stared in disbelief. "It's a prank area," he exclaimed, and they all burst into laughter. A nearby sign explained, "Speak," and the forest speaks back. Realizing they had fallen for a harmless trick, their fear turned into amusement. Now that they knew the secret, they decided to have some fun. "I'm the king of the forest," Sam shouted, and the voice echoed back perfectly. They played with the echoes, made silly jokes, and recorded videos of their adventure. What started as a spooky trip turned into one of the best nights of their lives, filled with laughter and unforgettable memories. Sometimes, what seems scary or mysterious may just be a misunderstanding or a harmless trick. Don't let fear stop you from discovering the truth, and always remember to find humor and joy in unexpected situations. Whispers. To speak very softly so that only a few people can hear. Sentences. She whispers a secret to her friend every day. She whispered something funny to me. She will whisper the answer to me later. Glance. A quick look. Sentences. He glances at his phone during meetings. She glanced at the menu before ordering. She will glance at the documents before signing. Widen. To become bigger or broader. Sentences. His eyes widen in surprise. Her eyes widened in shock when she saw the results. The gap between the two teams will widen over time. Sprinted. Ran very fast. Sentences. I sprint every morning to stay fit. She sprinted across the finish line last weekend. I will sprint tomorrow to prepare for the race. Prank. A funny trick or joke. Sentences. I prank my friends all the time. He pranked me yesterday. We will prank her next week. Eerie. Strange and scary. Sentences. This old house feels eerie at night. The eerie sound scared us yesterday. The fog will make the forest look eerie tomorrow. Frozen. Not moving, as if stuck. Sentences. I freeze when I hear a loud noise at night. She froze in fear when she saw the shadow. He will freeze if he sees a ghost. Amusement. Finding something funny. Sentences. I watch comedy shows for amusement. She laughed in amusement at the joke. They will smile in amusement at the prank. Spooky. Scary in a fun or mysterious way. Sentences. This old house looks spooky at night. The spooky sound scared us yesterday. The haunted house will feel spooky on Halloween. Unforgettable. So special that you can't forget. Sentences. This trip is unforgettable for me. Her performance was unforgettable last night. Our vacation will be unforgettable.